Keystone Lawn and Tree Care here in Spokane, Washington. Going to give you a quick winter shop tour, see what things look like. It's still early March, a little bit of snow out there on the ground, so we're just going to do a quick shop tour, and we're going to try to dig out the aerator because that's the first thing we need here in the springtime. Hey, thanks for joining me today. If this is your first time coming to my videos, I try to give you tips and tricks about what I've learned over the years. But today we're going to do a quick fun shop tour and kind of show you around what the shop is all about. So what are we doing in here? It's March, it's still a little snow out there. We're not working, but I'm getting ready to work. We're going to get all these machines fired up and ready to go. And more importantly, the first machine we use of the year is the aerator. So we got to go look for the aerator. Give me a hand and let's go find it. All right, here is the shop. We got the snow plow on. We got the mini truck over here. We got some sandbags to throw into the back of the truck. We got a big filing system of a bunch of different tools and chemicals and stuff that we'll need. We got tools up on the wall coming on down here between the trucks. There's the big bags of de-icer. We didn't use many of those this year. Panning around, here's one trailer. Let's get behind the truck here and show off the snow blowers because it is still early spring. We might be using these fleet of snow blowers sometime soon, hopefully not. Here we have the big tow behind air compressor. We use this to blow out the sprinklers in the fall. I use this for about 3-4 weeks in the fall, and it just sits here pretty much the rest of the time. Coming back around, going back up here to the front, all of the trucks, I did this earlier, all the trucks are ready to go. Got them all serviced. We got all the tools and stuff in the back here. We got the jump box, we got everything back here ready to go. Same with the other truck, same with trucks are all ready to go. We got jackets just in case because it's still winter time. We got some tow straps to pull people out of the snow, and we got all of our little supplies and stuff for lawn mowing. So we're just transitioning into the springtime. Let's come around here, a little workbench. So even the mini truck is ready to go. I've put little toolboxes and stuff inside this little guy. Got this little toolbox here where I fill full first aid kit, grass seed oil, gas mix, whatever, bungee cords. Functional, we use it all the time. I even got a little tow hitch for it here. This here is our secondary trailer. This is what we use as kind of a backup. This has got the older MTD dual hydro, an old belt driven pro line, some extra weed eaters. We got an old commercial Toro back here, and back there looks like there's the power rake. All right, I found it. The aerator is all the way back here in the very back corner of the shop, so we are going to have to unbury a couple of these trailers out of the way, pull it out, and get her running and get it ready for the springtime. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Just a fun little video, short and sweet, just to show you the shop, and just having a little fun today because there's really no working out there, still a little snow on the ground. So again, we're just having some fun taking a look at the shop. A Ford F-350 is the quintessential work truck. This thing has paid for itself over and over and over the years. It is very common, parts are cheap, it's domestic, it's easy to work on, and it looks pretty good too. This one here is our F-250. I love these trucks, man. I love the little suicide doors that pop open. You can throw your tools in the back. You can load your workers in the back, whatever. There's plenty of room. I love these trucks. You buy them used, they're a dime a dozen. They're a great work truck. I love this little mini truck. If you guys want to see more videos with this little thing in action, leave a comment below. Snowblowers, and more snowblowers back there. Which ones do you guys prefer? 1 stage or 2 stage? All right, guys, time to stop messing around and get back to work. I gotta dig out this aerator and put it to work. Hey, thanks for joining us on today's shop tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.